Hello everyone, let's discuss a question from the 2024 June AS level pure math exam paper. So this question gives you, as you can see, a chimney emits smoke particles. On a particular day, the concentration of smoke particles in the air emitted by this chimney, p parts per million, is measured at various distance, x kilometers from the chimney. So you can see in the figure 2, the vertical axis stands for log 10 p. So the base is 10. And the horizontal axis is for the distance x. And also, in addition, this straight line passes through the points 0, 3.3 and the point 6, 2.1. So the first question asks you to find a complete equation for the model in the form p equals ab power to x. So which means a and b are constants need to be determined. How can we find this solution? So let's get started. So we have part A. So we know 2 points pass through this line. That means this line passes through these 2 points, which means when we put the coordinates inside this straight line equation, we should have these 2 equations. Then we can solve for the simultaneous equations. So when x equals 0, y equals 3.3, that means, remember, y is log 10p equals 3.3. That implies p equals 10 power to 3.3. So that gives us 10 power to 3.3 equals ab power to 0, which just a. So a equals 10 power to 3.3. That gives us already a. Then how about the next point? So when x equals 6, y equals 2.1. Similarly, 10 power to 2.1 equals a times b power to 6. We already know that a equals 10 power to 3.3. We can substitute into the second equation. We have b power to 6 equals 10 power to 2.1 over 10 power to 3.3. So that means b power to 6 give us 10 power to minus 1.2. So that is b power to 6. Then we have to take the 6th root. That means 10 power to 1 over 2 times 1/6, which gives us 10 power to minus 0.2. That is b. So if you put those numbers in your calculator, then you can find a and b accordingly. So, and also the part b, it just needs one simple sentence to answer this question. So what is that b? So how can we interpret the value a times b? Notice that in the equation or the function, so abx, so when x equals 1, p equals ab. That means ab represents the concentration parts per million in 1 kilometers, because x distance is 1. Okay, that answers the whole question. I hope you understand the solution, enjoy the video, and I see you in the next.